Hey guys, welcome to Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment gist and celebrity gossips. After the reality TV show Ultimate Love, we expect the love guests to be seen mending broken walls, filling up gaps, and practicing all they learned in their master classes. Here are some of the love guests whose progresses are evident. Micherry after Auntie's love part. Michael and Cherry became the first ultimate love couple to check out of Auntie's love pad in season 1. Let's take a look at how their lives have shaped up weeks after stepping out of Auntie's love pad. Micherry have been enjoying some time together, giving us social media couple challenge goals. From a skit about coronavirus to the Flip the Switch challenge, the two have been giving their ever-growing audience the content they need. Dr. Cherry gets into comedy. As a medical professional, it's natural that Dr. Cherry would gravitate towards a topic about health. She takes a comic approach to educate people about the importance of staying home during the times of coronavirus. Take a look at her hilarious skit and let us know if you don't agree that she has a future in Nollywood. Guys, you can check her up on Instagram with her handle Dr. Cherry B and watch the video. Flipping the switch. Michael and Cherry were not to be left out of the challenge that had taken over the internet at that time. Their interpretation of Drake's Flip the Switch featured Michael in a pink short tight dress. We dare say it's a sight to behold. Guys, you can also check that up on Cherry's Instagram handle Dr. Cherry B. Fraternizing with the who is who of African entertainment. Micherry were also seen fraternizing with the who is who of the entertainment industry at the recently held African Magic Viewers' Choice Awards. They kept their look coordinated with a touch of classic and traditional. They looked just how a boss couple should. Getting virtual love from celebs. First, it was Rita Dominic for Dr. Cherry. Then it was Elozonam of BB Naija fame for Michael, who took both to their Twitter page to holler at the two lovebirds. Rita Dominic tweeted, "Cherry is just a cherry being." Elozonam also tweeted, "You had a good run. #Micherry, #Ultimate Love." There will be no doubt continue to collaborate on more projects if you are a Micherry shipper. It's worth staying glued to their Instagram accounts at Dr. Cherry B and at official Michael Ngene to follow their stories. The other couple we want to be looking at is Ike Risa after Auntie's love pad. Ike and Teresa were the second runner-ups in the first season of Ultimate Love. It's only been almost 2 weeks since the young lovebirds left Auntie's love pad. Let's take a look at what they have been up to. Just like Ultimate Love winners Roxy, Ike and Teresa walked into a world that is basically on lockdown. This has not dampened their spirits though. The two have adapted quickly to a world that is currently practicing social distancing and staying home. They have been having fun on their social media platforms, recording cute videos together and steadily crushing on each other, getting praises from praise. One of the first videos they did together featured a song by Nigerian crooner Praise, who in turn reposted it and started his caption with "Aren't they cute?" Guys, you can check this up in Praise on Instagram through official Praise. We think the Ikrisa family agrees. Connecting with their Ikrisa family, they have also jumped on the lockdown trend and have gone live on their respective Instagram accounts, partnering with other noteworthy online brands. First, it was with eccentric television personality Derrenle Edun, wherein they shared the soundtrack to their love story. Guys, you can check this up, the video on Teresa's Instagram handle, Ify_Teresa. Then they did it with one of our Ultimate Love Nigeria Season 1 Masterclass conductors, Praise Forward, who joined in to share mental health and family responsibility tips. Guys, you can check out that on Ike's Instagram account using the handle Ike Nama. Steadily crushing on each other and giving assurance, Dr. Teresa Ifeoma posted Ike as her man crush every day, accompanying the image with a long caption that basically declares eternal love for the man. You are my forever and I can't wait to spend it all with you. Guys, let me read what she wrote on her Instagram page. To my king, you do so many little things day to day that only ever elevate my opinion of you. You are such a gift in my life and you deserve to know it. So I decided to write you this letter. I love how you encourage the best part of me. I am healthier, more driven, and more emotionally fulfilled than at any other point in my life. And that is in large part because of you. I love your drive and ambition. I have endless faith that you achieve anything you put your mind to. I remember the day we zinged and took my pain away just by holding my hand. You are my forever and I can't wait to spend it all with you. I love you, Mr. Stubborn to the ends of the world and back. You are my man crush every day. Ike returned this sweet love with a message to his Agbani, the one that owns the key to his heart. Chai, we thought it was only Davido's Choma who get this kind of assurance. So. Ike also wrote, here's an assurance to my queen, our Agbani, the one that owns the key to my heart. I walked into a totally strange environment with dependent intentions and not knowing what to expect or look out for. I just had a goal in heart, which was to look for my numero uno. The path was turned with all sorts of highs and lows. I almost beckoned on my fears until you came my way, promising to be my G. From hair braiding into heart rubbing. You stole my heart with your laughter, warmed my body with your embrace, kept my feelings in constant check, and your persona, oh my word, it held me bound and stuck on your love. My numero uno, Teresa. On this day, I joined the world to celebrate you as my woman crush Wednesday and mostly my woman crush every day. Not because it's a cliche, but because it's something I always wanted to do for you. We are also excited to see what these two young lovebirds will achieve together. Be part of the blooming love story by following their Instagram account at Ike Nama and Ify_Teresa. Next on our list is Jelo. Jelo to the world, guys. After anti-love pad, let's check out how Jelo have been faring. Jelo became the third ultimate love couple to be checked out from Auntie's Love Pad this season. They shared with Ultimate Love host Dakore and Oluwaseun at their exit interview that one of their greatest takeaway is friendship. Jenny Coco, a River State fabric seller, and Louis, a TV content creator and producer from Delta State, have been shining the spotlight on various projects on their social media platforms since leaving Auntie's Love Pad. Let's take a look at the chronicles of Jelo's story after the Love Pad. Getting involved in charitable deeds. Jenny Coco partnered with the management of Platinum Club in Ibadan to promote their COVID-19 relief support, wherein they were giving out food items and other relief materials to 2,000 people as part of their corporate social responsibility. Guys, you can check this on her Instagram page. I am underscore Jenny Coco. Good day, my people. I come with good news, especially for my Ibadan people. At Platinum Club IB, we'll be giving out food items and other relief materials to 2,000 people as part of its corporate social responsibility. So if you are in Ibadan and in need of these items, or you know someone who does, tell them to make their way to the premises of Platinum Lodge by 11 a.m. tomorrow. Come good on her. This is a step in the right direction for someone who wants to pursue greatness. Lifting another queen's work. Jenny Coco showed some solidarity to Diane Rossett of Big Brother Naija, who recently released an online film titled Bai, which tackles the issues of underage marriages in the north of Nigeria. Guys, you can check this also on our Instagram page. We stand a bold queen. A growing audience for Louis. Louis, on the other hand, has been concentrating on growing his audience online. As a TV content creator and producer, he knows the value of eyeballs and engagement, and so he does not take it for granted. He's seen here celebrating his 30,000 follower milestone. To date, his I am underscore Louis Ejiofor Instagram handle has 36,800 followers, a number we are sure will continue to rise. Ready to hit the hustle again. Louis has also taken this lockdown period to drop some of the notable work he has done, hinting that he can't wait to get back to the hustle. He has previously worked with women corporate directors as well as the well-known Eco Hotel Group, wherein he created multimedia content for them. Guys, you can also check this up too on his Instagram page. Something for hashtag Jelo workers. Jelo have also collaborated on something special for their fans. They both teased what looks like a lifestyle apparel brand with a short video that shows various types of hats. Guys, we know Louis was the man of the hats in the house, so I'm sure this must be a good development. Keen to see what the final product will look like? Be part of the Jelo story via their official Instagram handles. I am underscore Jenny Coco and at I am underscore Louis Ejiofor. Yes, we won't forget Doublechris, one of our top 5 finalists. Chris and Chrisville surprised a lot of people and made it into the top 5 couples of Ultimate Love Nigeria Season 1. It could be because of the relatable way in which their relationship organically grew from friends to partners who have a very strong base for a lasting relationship. Chrisville came into Auntie's love pad as one of the new love guests that Auntie added some weeks into the show. He came in with Jeriton and Chidi bangs. He found Chris somewhat wounded after having to deal with a Uche who decided to check himself out of the show after he was assigned to her during the coupling process. The two have over time grown into each other such that Chris confessed to Dakore and Oluwaseun that she doesn't know what he did to her in their exit interview. Let's check in on what our favorite namesake couples have been up to. A couple that poses together, they say. Chris and Chrisville have been seen snapping cute pictures together, sometimes even in coordinated looks. He took to his Instagram page to write, if a man isn't thankful to God for what he's got, he isn't likely to be thankful for what he's going to get. I'm grateful to God for the Doublechris family he gave us. In addition, I thank God for Chris Ada official in my life. I am humbled before God and I say a big heartfelt thank you to you all, my family. I love you all. Also, a couple that Insta lives together, guys, complete it. Chris and Chrisville have not been left out of the ultimate love couples that have been engaging with their fans by setting up appointments to go live on their Instagram account. They have even partnered with season 1 winners Roxy for a session that pulled in all their fans together. A couple that grows together. Doublechris have, between the two of them, just over 100,000 fans on their official Instagram account. Wow. There is a clear effort to engage their fans, and this will endear them to even more audiences in the future. Chris Ada official wrote, "Wow, you guys are amazing. Your love is overwhelming. 5,000 Chris stands. We are indeed stronger together. There's room for more." Chris and Chrisville have on more than one occasion expressed their interest in business, and it will be interesting to see how they approach their different ventures. Will it be as separate individuals, or will we see them teaming up in the future? Stay tuned on at Chrisville Official and at Chris Ada Official, where we are certain they will be updating often. Guys, and also will not forget our favorite Jeriton. Jeriton and Jerry were the second couple to be checked out of Auntie's love pad. The two had only been coupled up for just over 2 weeks, but their time together gave us some moments that won't be too quick to forget. Jerry can be spotted looking suave and participating in the Don't Rush challenge on his Instagram handle, while Jeriton is hinting at something new and mingling with stars. Looking suave in blue, Jerry stepped out to attend the recently concluded African Magic Viewers' Choice Awards in a classic look that entailed fitting black pants, a crisp white shirt, and a blue velvet jacket. You can check that up on his Instagram page. Joining the Don't Rush challenge, Jerry was not to be left out of the Don't Rush challenge. Kai. He even went to the extra mile and did an entire video alone with 3 looks. They looked peng sha. Guys, you can also check that up on his Instagram handle, Jerry Mudiaga. The Jeriton brand. Jeriton is cooking something and she wants the world to know. Without giving away too much, she shared a logo of the Jeriton brand and hinted at being up to something. It is not immediately clear what it entails, but we are sure to find out once things go back to some form of normalcy. You can also check what she was up to using her Instagram handle @_Jeriton. A Night with the Stars. Jeriton attended the recently concluded AMVCA and she was spotted with Ultimate Love co-host Dakore, popular entertainment personality Nancy Isime, as well as Big Brother Naija alumni Toby Bakre and Bisola Ayola. Guys, you can also see that on her Instagram account. The two seem to be steady focused on their personal brands. It will be interesting to see if they ever gravitate towards each other as more than friends. Keep a lookout for this on their official Instagram handles at I am Jeriton and at Jerry Mudiaga. Guys, this is the compilation we have for you today, but this is not all. We promise to get you updated on other love guests and what they've been up to. If you're a first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notification when a new story drops. Take care and stay tuned.